Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to create a checkbox in Excel 2021. First, you need to open Excel or the Excel file you want to work with. There is a menu bar at the top of your app. Click on File. Choose Options. Click on Customize Ribbon in the new window. Check Developer on the right sidebar. Click OK. Go to the top menu bar. Click on Developer tab. Look for Insert. Click on it. You will see different icons in the pop-up. Click on the checkbox. Go to the line where you want to place it. You can move the checkbox or resize it. Delete words, checkbox, and resize it to fit in your cell. You can click on it to check it. Let's put one more checkbox. Click on Insert. Click on the checkbox. Go to the line where you want to place it. You can move the checkbox or resize it. Delete words checkbox 2 and resize it to fit in your cell. You can insert as many checkboxes as you need. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!